Friends, when technology and performance meet, Ducati creates something that surpasses even our imagination. In today's video, we are talking about Ducati's new surprise, the Desmo450 MX Factory. This is essentially an upgraded factory edition of their standard Desmo450 MX, where the company has pre-fitted everything you need to win a race. Let's start with its heart, the engine. It features a 449.6cc single-cylinder engine, characterized by Ducati's famous Desmo valve system. For those who don't know, this technology incredibly increases engine efficiency at high RPM. Ducati claims that the low-end torque of this bike is so powerful that it can deliver 70% of its maximum torque at just 4,200 RPM. This means whenever you exit a corner and hit the throttle, the bike will propel you forward at lightning speed without any delay. We all know how vital weight reduction is for a racing bike. In this factory edition, Ducati has included an Akrapovič full titanium exhaust system as standard. Using this has reduced the bike's weight by about 1.7 kilo compared to the standard version. Not only that, Ducati engineers have retuned the ECU to stay in sync with this new exhaust. The result? You get an even more excellent torquey curve and powerful acceleration between 4,000 and 7,500 RPM. You will be amazed by the suspension system of this bike. The fork and shock absorber rods have undergone a titanium oxidation treatment, making the surface 60% harder and more durable than average. Consequently, even when riding on rocky or sandy roads, there is much less fear of scratches on the forks. That's not all. It uses a Dark Kashima coating. Those who follow suspension tech know how smoothly this coating can absorb small bumps, helping you stay glued to the ground like adhesive. Additionally, its triple clamp is made of ergal material, making the bike another 200 grams lighter and giving it a premium black look. Now for the real technology. A built-in Wi-Fi module has been provided in this bike. Yes, you heard that right. You no longer need to connect a laptop to the bike. You can set the bike's power maps, traction control, DTC, and launch control parameters as you wish through your smartphone app. The bike also includes whole-shot start control for ensuring a perfect start at the beginning of a race, 4-level traction control to adjust grip according to different soil conditions, and a quick shifter for gear changes in a fraction of a second. To keep the bike protected, a sturdy guard plate has been added under the engine and a protective cover on the front brake disc. And visually, it looks exactly like Ducati's MXGP factory team racing bike. This means when you head out with it, you will look like a pro racer. However, remember that to maintain this level of performance, you will need to take great care of it. Ducati has stated that the piston of this bike must be changed every 45 hours and the valves must be checked at the same time. A full engine overhaul or major repair will be required every 90 hours. This is not a regular commuter bike that you can just fill with oil and ride for years. It is a high-performance racing machine. Now let's talk about the Pocket. In America, compared to the standard version, the price is about $2,500 higher. But remember, if you were to buy these parts separately and modify the bike, the cost and time would be much greater. The 2026 Ducati Desmo450 MX Factory is for those riders who are unwilling to make any compromises. It gives you the freedom to head straight to the track right out of the box. Being one of only 400 limited editions, it may also be considered a collector's item in the future. Are you ready for this Ducati beast? Let us know in the comments which feature of this bike you like the most. Ending here for today. See you in the next video.